Greetings everyone, welcome to my channel Learn with Anu Bajaj. Today I will be discussing the chapter The Singing Lesson by Catherine Mansfield. Let's get started. The Singing Lesson is a thought-provoking short story where all kinds of emotions in the mind of a music teacher such as anxiety, depression, sorrow, fear, gloominess, desperation, sadness and elation all are expressed with great sensitivity and insight into some of the finest details of human behavior during unfavorable circumstances. Miss Meadows is walking to the music hall with her broken heart, where her students are waiting so that they start singing under able guidance of their teacher. But she ignores the chrysanthemum flowers given by her favorite, instructed their students to sing a melancholic number without an expression. She disapproves the greeting of science mistress, wanted that nobody should talk to her, does not want to face the people around due to her bad temper. She is thinking of her young fiancé Basil, who is 25 years of age, has expressed his inability to continue their bonding further. The idea of settling down fills him with regret, so she wanted that there should be an end to their future relationship, no emotional connect and dragging of their weak bonding. This is all heart-wrenching and the world of Miss Meadows is shattered. She is not ready to accept what her fiancé have put in front of her that is part their ways. She becomes nostalgic that how her fiancé proposed her coming back from home church and how he becomes interested to buy things for their home. Firstly, he appears to be committed to marriage, now portraying an image of insensitive man. So she asks her students to sing the saddest song where every note is a sob, a sigh, a groan of mournfulness. They all started singing a lament song, turns red in face, some even start crying. She was feeling a sort of void inside her, so instructed their students to sing depressing song. Fortunately, she was summoned to the principal office. There she opens the telegram sent by her fiancé where he asks for an apology for his harsh words. This shows that he understands love and has same feeling as of Miss Mizrox and cared for her sentiments. Thus the torture which she was facing comes to an end, relaxing and comforting every inch of her nerve, filling her with great joy, warmth and happy hormones. This all comes as huge relief to Miss Meadows as she returns with happy frame of mind and with adrenal rush. She tells her students to sing enthusiastically a happy song with full zeal and the loudest pitch, same as of Miss Meadows, with leading voice, beaming with glowing expression. We witness how beautifully the despair and elation of the music teacher correspond with the way music is taught. Thank you very much. Tip of the day. Our friends, well-wisher are like street lamps. Street lamps or street lights illuminate our path, however, they cannot cut short distance but make our journey smoother and easier. Similarly, in the company of our friends, life becomes easygoing, cheerful, and their guidance navigate our existence worth living, adding meaning to the life. Thank you. In my next tutorial, I will be discussing the chapter titled On Being Idle by Jerome K. Jerome, where the author feels proud of being an idler and also it is a God-given gift. According to him, idling becomes more interesting where there is lots of work to be done. Thank you. Stay safe and do take good care of yourself.